Hi, welcome back to the channel. So till yesterday we have seen how to create, how to create an instance, how to install PHP Apache and MySQL onto the server. So now we need to create a folder so that we can host our website. So for that you need to go to this path cd slash var slash www slash html. Sorry. So this is your path. In this, if you see, you have index.html that gets displayed here, this one. So this is a page that you are able to see here. So here you need to create a folder. So for that, sudo mkdir, give your folder name. So this will create your folder. So this will create your folder. So again, if you do ll, you can see that a folder has been created. So now in order to upload files to this, you need to give a properties to this file or folder. So the properties are sudo chmod 077 and your folder name. So it has been given now. So these are your folders. So if you can see here, these are the difference. So if you see here, you didn't had write access or write access here. Now if you see here, you have the write access. So in order to connect, you need to install CyberDuck. So using CyberDuck, you can directly connect to your instance. So how to get your connection here? So in the list, you need to select SFTP. In the place of server, you need to give your instance name, or you can give your public IP also, or just have this connect. So user will be Ubuntu. Username is Ubuntu, and you can directly connect. So by default, it will take you to some folder that is inside your user, that is Ubuntu. Once you get connected, you will get a folder here, folder option here. So you will get an option for asking to allow. Just click on allow and then log in. So if you have assigned any password, you can give the password. If not, you need to assign your SSH key. So just go to your PEM file location, select your PEM file, and then just click on login. So now you are currently in the Ubuntu folder. You need to go to the root path. So this is your root path. So if you see here, you have something called var folder. Inside this folder, you have www. Inside this, you have HTML. So inside Scienty, we will be uploading some files. So let me just upload a WordPress file. So once it is uploaded, I'll just reconnect again. So if you see here, I have already uploaded a package. So now what I need to do is just go here and say /php myadmin. Just check your server connection if you are getting this error. So if you are still seeing error, just refresh your server. It will clear your issues. So log in with your root user and the password that you have created already while installing phpMyAdmin. So here we need to create a database. So just go to database, create any database that you wanted. So our database has got created. Just go to your server and see if you can see the files or not. So I'll again just connect once I install the WordPress and everything. So if I just go to my server here, or you can just go to the public IP. So this is your public IP. If I visit /SANTY, so these are the files. So now what we can do is, instead of this, we can assign a domain to it. So how to assign a domain, we will see it in the next video. Please do subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Have a nice day. Bye.